Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to connect Printify to your Shopify. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open any of the browser. At the very top, you can see the search box. Over there, type in www.printify.com and search for it. You will be directed to the official website of Printify. Now you have to log in, so click on this option of login. Now over here, you will need to type in the credentials associated with your Printify account. Type in the email address and password. After you are done, you can check in for this option, I'm not a robot, and then you can click on the option of sign in. With that, you will be logged into Printify account. Now at the top right corner, you can find this option of my new store. Click on that option. Now here you can see this option of manage my store. Click on it. Now here you can see this option of my new store. You have to click on this option of connect. Let's connect your store. Here are different options given to connect to your Printify account, but right now you have to select this option of Shopify. Now over here you will need to type in the URL of your Shopify account in order to connect to it. So you can open a new tab, type in www.shopify.com and search for it. You will be directed to the official website of Shopify. Now you have to click on this option of login. Now over here you will need to type in your email address that is linked with your Shopify account. After you are done, click on this option of continue with email. Now over here, type in the password of your Shopify account and then click on the option of login. And after you log in, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now at the top, you can see the search box. Over here, you will find the URL of your Shopify store. You have to copy this and then go to the Printify page. Now put that copied URL over here, paste it, and just remove this admin. Click on the option connect. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now over here, you will see this option of install app. You have to click on it. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now what you have to do is open a new tab and type in www.printify.com and search for it. Now click on this option of my store. And here you will be able to find your Shopify store. Now your Printify account and your Shopify account are connected. So this is how you can connect your Printify account to the Shopify. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.